big mistake almost every company makes when hiring and advertising jobs. They list the job, or they do social media, they do video, they post something online, and they say we're starting at XYZ dollars an hour. Or they say we're paying this to this per hour. And it's not the most effective way to advertise the money part of a job. What you're better to do is this. Advertise and say we averaged all of our workers' pay and it came out to this. Or we've got guys that are making this amount per hour, this much per year, or this much a week. Give them factual income numbers of what you really pay your people now, because the millennial and younger generation, people in their 20s, 30s, they want to know the truth, the facts. They want you to be straight up. They want to get to the details. Share what your actual team makes, and you don't have to say employee names, but just call it out that way. It's way more impactful.